Hey, so I stopped by Stir Crazy Bakery over in St. Martin area today to order some king cakes, and I figured we'd do a quick video and introduce you to Pete and Lisa Manley, and they're going to tell you a little bit about their bakery.
Hey, I'm Pete.
I'm Lisa.
And we are Stir Crazy Bakery and Kitchen.
Yes.
And we do have a lot of fun.
And they definitely are. What is your specialties here?
Well, we have quite a few specialties.
Right now
Lisa?
it's king cakes, of course.
Definitely king cakes right now.
King
No
cakes.
doubt.
Right.
What flavors are you making?
Well, we have a lot of fruit flavors. We do fresh fillings. So we use fresh fruit, make our fillings. Blueberry, strawberry, apple, those are popular. We have the regular cream cheese, which we dollop our cream cheese with some special ingredients. And anyway, those are our
Very special.
favorites. Right now we're doing a Valentine.
Oh yeah,
king
that's
cakes.
coming. A Valentine king cake.
Valentine
Yes.
king cake. Oh, yes, in the shape of
man.
a heart. You can check it out. We got pictures of it on our Facebook page, Stir Crazy Bakery and Kitchen.
So-
It's shaped like a heart with red and pink instead of the regular Mardi Gras colors.
So when is Valentine's? Is that like coming up?
Yes,
Uh-oh.
that would be Thursday.
Yes, indeed.
You need to make note of that.
I better get busy. Huh?
Yes,
what
indeed.
else do you have going on here at the bakery?
Well, we've got dipped strawberries right now. We've got quite a few orders for those for Thursday, and we've got some going out to some of our local suppliers here that we send out to, and then they sell for us. So you can find those out and about in the community, and that's the big thing right now is we're basically working on dipped strawberries.
Now, do you just sell to commercial vendors or individuals? What's going on there?
We do sell to commercial vendors, but we also we are a full bakery, so we sell. You can call and order. We are a scratch bakery. You can call and order whatever you would like. That's on our menu on crazyforbaking.com on the web, and you can go, like I say, to our Facebook page and get information off of there of Stir Crazy Bakery and Catering.
Hey,
So-
that's awesome. So do that. Go to their page and on Facebook and like it for them. Show them a little love and share it around. All right, very cool. Thank you.